Hi guys, welcome to my channel Zedigo World TV. In today's video, we will be looking at how to get 1 million tokens on Hamster Kombat using the daily cipher. And of course, it's for free. So to do this, you open up your Hamster Kombat. For me, this is what's been going on. My exchange has got me this amount and I'll just pick it up, and that's because this is the amount I earn per hour. That's the profit I earn per hour, about 64,000 coins. Okay, so now we'll change the mode here from the normal mode, which is where you just tap and get some coins. Change it to the cipher mode by tapping on the N per tap section at the upper left hand side, and when you do that, you'll see that the hamster has a different color, has a red circle around it. Now, to input the letters of the secret word, you have to use the codes of each letter, and it's comprised of dots and dashes. To get your dots, you simply tap on the hamster, and to get a dash, you simply press on the hamster. The first letter for our word today, the 11th to 12th of June 2024, is H, and that's dot 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 dot, 4 dots. Followed by letter A, dot dash. Next is letter M, dash dash. And then letter S, dot dot dot, and letter T, dash, letter E, dot, and letter R, dot dash dot, and that gives us the word hamster. And yeah, that's our prize for cracking the code. 1 million tokens. That's 1 million coins. I'd like to add that sometimes you may not get all the letters at once. So if you do it and you don't get it, it takes you back and you start afresh and keep trying until you get the complete letters. And there you have it. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.